If you want to round corners in DaVinci Resolve 20, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to create clean rounded corners using the Fusion page, and I'll walk you through every step so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Resolve. This is a super useful technique if you want to make your footage look more polished, build a stylized frame, or create a nicer presentation for your videos. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and beginner-friendly editing tutorials. Let's jump in. First, make sure your clip is selected on the timeline. This part is important because Fusion works on the clip you currently have active. Once your clip is selected, go down to the bottom of DaVinci Resolve and click the Fusion tab. You can also use the shortcut Shift+5 to move there faster. When the Fusion page opens, you'll see your node setup and the viewer, which is where we'll build the rounded corner effect. Now we need to add a mask. At the top of the nodes area, find the rectangle icon in the toolbar and click it. This creates a rectangle mask node. The rectangle mask is what allows us to shape the visible area of the clip and control the corners with precision. Once the rectangle 1 node appears, you're ready for the next step. Next, connect the rectangle mask to your clip. To do that, take the gray square output from the rectangle 1 node and drag it to the blue effect mask input on the MediaIn 1 node. This connection tells DaVinci Resolve to use the rectangle mask as a boundary for the footage. Once it's connected, the effect will be applied to your media input, and now we can start shaping the corners. With the connection in place, go over to the inspector on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll find the controls for the rectangle mask. Look for the corner radius slider. Drag it to the right to make the corners more rounded. The more you increase it, the softer and more curved the corners will become. If you want a subtle rounded look, keep it low. If you want a more obvious rounded frame, push it further until you get the style you want. This is the main control that gives you that smooth, rounded corner effect. After that, you can fine-tune the size of the mask using the width and height sliders in the same inspector panel. These sliders let you resize the rectangle so it fits your shot perfectly. If your footage is not filling the space the way you want, adjust width and height until the frame looks balanced and properly cropped. This helps you make sure the rounded corners match your composition, instead of looking stretched or awkward. Take a moment to preview your clip and see how it looks in motion. If needed, go back and make small adjustments to the corner radius, width, and height until everything feels right. The goal is to create a clean, professional look that fits your project. Once you're happy with the result, you're done. You've successfully rounded the corners in DaVinci Resolve 20 using Fusion. If this tutorial helps you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.